Hey everyone, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to the studio. Today's tip is don't avoid failure. Failure is actually a really good learning opportunity. I think a lot of our people, importers and Amazon sellers, they want to avoid failure. Now, and if failure happens to them, they just want to move past it as quickly as possible. But we're going to talk today about this and much more. So let's get started. Welcome back, everyone. So failure. I think a lot of people, they hide from failure and they don't want failure to happen to them. And there is ways to leverage your failure. Every failure is an opportunity. It's an opportunity to learn, to grow, to avoid making that mistake again. Like when I first wrote this book, all right, I actually went to a publisher and the publisher said, I don't know whether there's going to be a market for this. People are not buying books like this anymore. They might be buying it online, but nevertheless, I went to him and I said, I want to publish this book. And we did, and it ended up selling. And it was a 50-50 chance, right? But if it failed, then I'll be like, well, I'm never going to write a friggin' book about importing from China again, right? So there are ways to leverage your failure. So for example, if you import a product from China and this product, you realize when it gets here, it doesn't sell, all right? And you're like, darn, I'm really annoyed, I'm frustrated, I'm anxious, this product didn't sell, I really thought this was going to be a winner. Well, what's the lesson learned there, right? Well, you look at, okay, well, how did I market this program? What things didn't I try? Maybe I paid a little bit too much for the product and I was asking too much from the customer. Maybe I wasn't marketing hard enough. So there are little lessons in every little failure, every little thing that may not work for you. There is something to learn in it. So leverage your failure. If it happens to you, then don't go, it's doom and gloom. Just think, what can I learn from this? If you guys want a free video series, head over to my website, www.importexportcoaching. And I'm heading to the Canton Fair in 2 weeks' time. So if you are in the Canton Fair or going, touch base with me. I will be there and I'll be meeting up with about 8 to 10 of my clients. And you can say hello and drop by and join us for some drinks if we're there at the same time. My name's Alex Ryan, guys. Have an awesome day and I wish you the best on your importing journey. See you later.